This is he explained the detailed tour what that displayed of that how the kind of the sake. So please ahead.
こちらがまあ3種類このツアーでお出しするお酒になるんですけども。
The three displayed one is that of course the Shichiken sake, but that in that time in the tour of the Shichiken story that they served served on the three kind of the sake. The one is that one is that so good tasting that the Hakushu's the soft water using it. It's a very that salty, but the very that clear sake. That's the reason of that such a kind of that rice is a very clean up so much. Then after that the good tasting. The second one is that some the sparkling the sake. This is the very famous that the French chef that Alain that collaborated to make it how to matching the French tasting. That is so good. I think that two one. That is the not the hot sake, but that the last one is that to make it for the hot sake. All the foreigners, you can know that every Japanese people know drinking the hot sake. Just slightly different, but that the hot sake is so good that that's a set of that sake is a very good tasting. So that the served of the three of the Japanese sake, two is the cold sake, the last one is the hot sake. You can enjoy the three tasting on the tour. Thank you so much.